Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Okay. Hey! So this afternoon we're going to try and snorkel on the house reef. Villa stairs.
And we're off. This time round, we were happy with the different fish around, unlike during our first snorkel experience, which you can take a look at from the link above. We had to be careful because the water was very shallow and the reef is quite sharp. This is why it is recommended to wear one of those rash shirts. It protects against sunburn and you don't get scratches from the reef. So at one point, I stopped looking at the scene of fish hurrying around, doing their thing, and suddenly I start to feel like I'm being watched. You know that paranoid feeling? I take a look around, and a couple of inches away, I see this looking back at me, and I'm like, what the?
Run.
I found out later that it's called a moray eel, and I quote, "The moray eel is vicious when disturbed and will attack humans. Their jaws are equipped with strong, sharp teeth." So that was a lucky escape. Of course, as soon as we got out of the water, the sneaky shark made an appearance. They are just so difficult to find and meet when you're snorkeling. Luckily, we found a little reef shark hanging out by the shore. And I will count it as my close shark encounter. And that's a sweet ending to another day in the Maldives. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.